Welcome to my channel. Today's meal is mixed vegetables noodles. If you're looking for a way to get your kids to eat vegetables, then try this. Also, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get notified for my weekly video uploads. I'll start by removing the seeds in the green bell pepper, after which I would cut it into small pieces. I will also cut the baby carrots into small sizes as well. Now it's time to blend my tomatoes, onions, cayenne pepper and habanero pepper. So you can adjust the pepper content to your preference when it comes to spicy food. You can also blend with a food processor or an electric blender, but I am using a manual blender because I like the texture it gives me. I'll pour some oil in my pot, and when the oil is hot enough, I'll pour in my blended pepper mix. I will also be adding roasted mackerel fish, which I'll be shredding into small pieces with my hands. Oh, before I forget, at this point, I would also be adding the bell pepper and the carrots, the baby carrots. This is the best time for it. After which, I'll fry for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to be adding some water. Yes, I'm going to be adding some water after 5 minutes. And the water is going to be enough water to cook the quantity of the instant noodles I will be cooking. In my case, I'll be cooking 5 instant noodles. So after adding my noodles, I would also be adding the seasoning. I'll be using just 4 seasoning packs instead of 5 because I want to reserve the remaining one for something. You'll see it later. After 3 minutes, I'll mix well and cook till my noodles is soft enough to my preference. So this is all about how you want to eat your noodles. If you like soggy noodles, fine. If you don't like soggy noodles, just cook it to how you want it to be. So my mixed vegetable noodles is ready, and it's time to fry the eggs. I'll start by pouring my spring onions into my eggs, and oh, that is the remaining seasoning powder, and I'll be adding just a little, not all, just a little bit into my eggs. Trust me, if you try this, you will love it because it is super tasty. I'll be mixing up the eggs now. After this, I'll pour some vegetable oil in my frying pan. When it is hot enough, I'll pour in my eggs. After pouring in my eggs, I would simply fry both sides and food is ready. So I need to say at this point that you can use any vegetable you want, but I'm using these 3 vegetables, that is the spring onions, the green bell pepper and the baby carrots, because I tried it on my baby and she likes it. Over time, I would also introduce other kinds of vegetables. By the way, thank you so much for watching my video. See you next week.